What's up everyone? This is Ramon with Tech Did This. I'm super excited to do my second unboxing with you. This is gonna be for the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm gonna say it's a soft unboxing because I bought it used from Best Buy. It's in excellent condition apparently, so we'll see. Saved a couple bucks, so here's what it is. Here we go. Alright, here we are. I got this in the porcelain color. Super excited to see this in person, especially because of the matte finish. And if you saw my other previous unboxing on the Pixel 8, I got that in the rose color. I'm not sure if it's rose or rose, but yeah, here we go. Whoa, this looks really cool. It's almost like it's a crayon color. I'm really digging this. I think this is one of my favorite ever looking phones now. Let's take this off. So like I said, this was purchased open up from Best Buy, but it looks, just at a quick glance, probably was just opened at the store. Hopefully, we'll see. But wow, this color porcelain is super nice. Let's just go ahead and turn it on. Dun dun dun. Alright, powering up. Here we go. Alright, well thanks for watching. Just kidding, still here. I'm actually gonna show a little bit more of the phone so you can see it's started up. Just gonna browse a couple things so you can check it out. Camera, yep. On to ask me settings. Cool, yeah, I wanted to go a little bit further on this. What I'm gonna do is turn on the 120 Hertz display on this. Let's see. Oh, it's already on. I think on my Pixel 8 it came turned off, but alright, cool. But yeah, I mean, I didn't log into this, I just quickly set it up just to kind of show it, but yeah, I think again, this is such a nice visually and feeling phone. I wouldn't dare to go caseless though, so I'm gonna be looking for something very soon to try it out. I'm hoping also too the battery will be really good on this. So far I'm having the Pixel 8 for maybe 2 days or so, a couple days. The battery has been pretty similar to the 7. It's not fitting for me, so I went with the Pro just to try it out and we'll see. Alright, thanks for joining me on my second unboxing. I appreciate you watching. The last thing I'll do is I'm just going to show you a quick physical comparison of the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro. You can see it's much taller. Obviously it's a 6.7 inch screen on the Pixel 8 Pro. I prefer small phones, but again with the battery and stuff like that, we'll see how this goes. And plus I just really love the look so far. So even though it's all about functionality of course, but visuals is important sometimes. I do care about tech visuals. Alright, well thanks so much. If you have any questions, comments, or you like some kind of specific video between these two phones or something specific to the Pixel 8, let me know. Take care.